Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a video to your Figma design. If you've ever wanted to bring a bit more life and movement into your mockups, or just showcase multimedia inside your project, this feature is incredibly handy. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where and how to insert a video file into your Figma workflow, unlocking new creative possibilities for your prototypes or presentations. Let's dive right in. First up, there's something important to mention about Figma's video feature. Right now, adding video directly to your designs is available only if you're on a paid plan. So if you're still on the free plan like I am at the moment, you might not be able to upload and embed your video just yet. But don't worry, I'll guide you through all the steps so you know exactly what to do once you're ready or once your plan is upgraded. Alright, so with your project open in Figma, take a look down at the very bottom center of your workspace. You'll notice a handy toolbar there that gives you quick access to a lot of essential tools, things like shapes and frames. It's kind of like your designer's toolbox. Go ahead and click on the Shapes dropdown. It's the icon that looks a bit like a rectangle or a few overlapping shapes right at the center bottom. When you open that up, you'll see a list of different insert options. Normally, you might be used to seeing rectangles, circles, and lines here, but if you look a little further down, you'll see something new. It says Image Video. This is the key option we're interested in. When you click on Image Video, Figma will prompt you to upload a file from your computer. Now here, where the magic would normally happen. If you're already on a paid plan, you can simply select your video file. Maybe it's a quick demo reel, an animated logo, or a walkthrough video you want to embed right in your design. Once you confirm and upload, Figma will process your video and drop it into your canvas, just like it does with images. But if you're, like me, using the free version at this point, you'll hit a little speed bump. Figma will let you know that you need to upgrade your plan to use this video upload feature. Don't feel stuck if this happens. It's totally normal, and you can always return to this step once you're ready to upgrade. It's sort of like standing outside a cool club. You can see where the door is, even if you can't go in just yet. Now, if you asterisk are using a paid plan, once your video is in the design, you're free to position it, resize it, and even set simple playback options. Think of it as just another layer in your design, but dynamic. You could create engaging app mockups with tutorial videos or just give your designs that extra professional edge. And that's all there is to it. Even if you're not on a paid plan yet, now you know exactly where to find the video upload option and how the flow works, so you'll be ready to go when the time comes. If you found this walkthrough helpful, make sure to hit that like button. It really does help the channel out. Got questions about Figma or tips of your own? Drop them in the comments below. I love hearing from you all and helping where I can. And don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward, practical design tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.